could happen. I want to bring you to something else that's occupied your show, or so much of your show, and that is health care reform. It looked inevitable by the largest margin until that Massachusetts election took place. The Speaker, anything but ready to compromise when it comes to health care reform. Listen to what she said yesterday.
The gate's closed. We'll go over the fence. The fence is too high. We'll pole vault in. If that doesn't work, we'll parachute in. But we're going to get health care reform passed for the American people, for their own personal health and economic security, and for the important role that it'll play in reducing the deficit.
You know, Nancy Pelosi kind of sounds like remember the old Battle of the Network Stars where people would pole vault in and parachute in?
Exactly.
Now the Democrats...
Remember they'd have that obstacle course, Howard Cosell would say, and here is Cheryl Lynch. She's going over the fence. No, it was... She sounds like a commando.
He was always on it.
Everyone said that.
G.I. Jane. You know, to a certain degree, I think that's kind of whistling past the graveyard. I think that, you know, she's trying to galvanize her base and all that. She knows they're not going to pass. Certainly, they're not going to pass comprehensive health care reform. And I think, again, sometimes I think you have to watch what these politicians do rather than what they say. The fact that the president, yes, he said, I'm not going to walk away from health care reform. On the other hand, he didn't bring it up for the first half hour of his speech, and then he only talked about it for 5 minutes. They're keenly aware of the fact that comprehensive health care reform is not going to get passed. They think they can get maybe something, and if but it's going to be a lot less than they tried to pass for all of last year.
Chris, have you booked your show yet?
No.
Okay, good. Thanks.
Okay, then do this. Answer this question real quickly. Would you rather see Nancy Pelosi pole vault or parachute?
Oh, I think parachute. Nothing beats parachute.
Yeah, that is really the best.